Welcome to Math Challenge 530. In Math Challenge 530, we have a right angle triangle and inside it a circle. A radius of the circle 4 units. And the right angle triangle, the base is 40 units and we have to find the altitude h. We have to find the altitude h of the right angle triangle where the inscribed circle, the radius is 4 units and the base is 40 units. Math challenge for all numerical and quantitative aptitude tests. Math challenge 530. Now let the hypotenuse be x. The base is 40, the altitude or height is h, and let the hypotenuse be x. So by Pythagoras rule, x square will be equal to h square plus 40 square. Hypotenuse square will be equal to altitude square plus base square. So x square will be equal to h square plus 40 square, that is x square equal to h square plus 1600. Basic Pythagoras theorem, basic Pythagorean rule, altitude h, base 40, hypotenuse x. So x square equal to h square plus 40 square or x square equal to h square plus 1600. This is equation 1. X square equal to h square plus 40 square or x square equal to h square plus 1600. That is equation 1. So we got by applying Pythagorean rule, x square equal to h square plus 1600, that's equation 1. Now when a circle is inscribed in a right angle triangle, its diameter will be equal to sum of legs minus hypotenuse. When a circle is inscribed in a right angle triangle, the diameter of the circle will be equal to sum of the legs minus hypotenuse. So here the radius is 4, so the diameter will be 8. So h plus 40 minus x equal to 8. H, that is the altitude, plus 40 base minus x hypotenuse should be equal to diameter, which is 8 units. So h plus 40 minus x equal to 8. That is equation 2. Equation 1, x square equal to h square plus 1600 from Pythagorean rule for right angle triangles, and here the rule for inscribed circle, h plus 40 minus x equal to diameter, which is 8. So h plus 40 minus x equal to 8, that's equation 2. So equation 1, x square equal to h square plus 1600. Equation 2, h plus 40 minus x equal to 8, which gives x equal to h plus 32. 8 will come this side, 40 minus 8 will be 32. So x will be equal to h plus 32, that's equation 3. Now take 1 and 3. So instead of x square, put this value. In equation 1, instead of x square, put this value of x. So h plus 32 whole square will be equal to h square plus 1600. From 1 and 3, instead of x square, we are writing h plus 32 whole square, which is equal to h square plus 1600. So h plus 32 whole square equal to h square plus 1600. And so we got h plus 32 whole square equal to h square plus 1600. On the left side you expand according to a plus b whole square, h square plus 64h plus 1024 equal to h square plus 1600. H square will cancel from both sides. So 64h will be equal to 1600 minus 1024, that is 576. So h will be equal to 576 divided by 64, that is 9. So the required altitude is 9 units. The value of h, on solving this one, h plus 32 whole square equal to h square plus 1600. We get h equal to 9. So 9 units. That is the value for the altitude of this triangle. H equal to 9 units, but we will cross check. If h equal to 9, that is altitude is 9 and base is 40, then the hypotenuse should be square root of 40 square plus 9 square, that is 41. 40 square 1600 plus 9 square 81. So 1681, 1681 square root 41. Now you can check that if you put x equal to 41 and h equal to 9, diameter should be 40 plus 9 minus 41, that is equal to 8. Hypotenuse 41, altitude 9. So 40 plus 9 minus 41, that is 8. That is the diameter. So diameter 8 means radius 4. And the radius is given 4. So the answer is verified. So the altitude is 9 units confirmed. So follow us for school math, Olympiad math and competitive exam math. And remember, we have free online math class once a week. So contact us for online math and also follow our channel for school math, Olympiad math and competitive exam math. We shall meet again with more interesting math problems and their easy solutions. Till then, thank you and goodbye.